everyone, and welcome to Dolly's Food Fusion,
a cooking show where my wife and I try to recreate my family recipes.
Today is very exciting because we're going to be putting the fusion in our name to good use. We're going to be making an Indianized version of an American chili recipe. Now, chili in America just means a chicken keema and Rajma curry. So we're sure you're going to love this one, whether you're from America
or India.
So what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking!
Soak 2 cups of kidney beans overnight or at least for 12 hours. Add them to a pressure cooker along with 4 cups of water. Pressure cook on high flame for 1 whistle and medium flame for 3 to 4 whistles.
Add about 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan or kadai and heat it to medium heat. Add 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, and fry for 1 minute. Add 1 large chopped onion, 3 finely chopped or minced cloves of garlic, and 3 chopped green chilies. Sauté this until the onions become translucent. Now add about 500 grams of chicken keema and cook for about 5 minutes. Add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoons red chili powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 2 teaspoons cumin powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, and salt to taste. Fry until the raw smell of the spices goes away. Add 2 large chopped tomatoes, 1 cup of fresh corn, and 1 chopped capsicum. And fry for a few minutes. Now we're going to add our pressure cooked kidney beans along with the water they were cooked in. And we're also going to add 1 additional cup of water. Mix this well. Then bring it to a boil. Then reduce the heat and simmer on medium-low for about 30 to 40 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once the chili thickens to your desired consistency, add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and mix well. Then turn off the heat and add a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Optionally garnish with shredded cheese, avocado, lime juice, sour cream or curd, and some more coriander leaves. So that's going to do it for today. Thank you all for watching our Rajma chicken keema curry video, otherwise known as American chili. We have my mom with us here today to help us try this delicious recipe, so let's go ahead and try it. Spicy. Delicious.
If you like the heat, yeah.
Once again, thank you all for watching, and also make sure you hit that subscribe button, especially if you want to see more videos like this, Indo-American fusion videos in the future. Bye. Whether you're from America
or India. Okay, we missed it.
Well, what do I say? I don't remember.
Take 500, eat more chili.
What are you doing?
Nothing.